Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do a pumpkin no bake cookies pumpkin spice. So, for this recipe, you will need half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, 2 cups of roll oats, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the pumpkin spice. So I'm going to take all those ingredients and also 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to take all those ingredients, I'm going to mix them together to make our cookies. Okay, folks, so all the ingredients are in there. I'm going to mix them together and I'm going to place them on parchment paper. I'm going to make round little cookies out of them, and I'm going to place it on parchment paper. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together. Okay, folks, so I have sprinkled a little bit of sea salt on the pumpkin no bake cookies, pumpkin spice. It looks really good. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes so it gets a little firm. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I just pulled them out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for 15 minutes. These are pumpkin no bake cookies, pumpkin spice. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.